Right now I can see some requests being made. I can see a some requests. This is normal HTML requests. Oh no, not normal HTML requests. Okay, but it appears to be some next things. Yeah, the first thing that yeah, this is kind of sad. This is kind of sad. This MFA verified here. Let me test my first vulnerability here. Yeah, as I'm saying, the first thing that I want you to look is to understand the application. As I said, I want to send some message in the scenario. I want to see how it handles, and this is the first thing that I noticed. The application uses cookies for our authentication. It's an auth token here, and something got my attention was this MFA verified here. What happens if I automatically add this MFA verified to all my requests? So let's see. Let me create. Oh, actually, I don't even need to test this way. Let me get my email here, my temp mail, and I will do a login. Free. Okay. I'll show it again. The vulnerability is it's pretty simple actually. Because the MFA validation is client signed in this scenario, we can bypass it by just changing the headers here. So this is my account. As you can see, if I try to access /chat here, I cannot access. It will roll back here as for the MFA route. But if I edit my cookies here, go to my inspector tools, put it here to application, and modify my cookies as I saw the cookie that is being used in my HTTP history. It's this MFA verified cookie. If I add this MFA verified cookie here to true and refresh my page, and not refresh, and go to /chat here, now we can see that our MFA was bypassed. This is obviously a simple version of this vulnerability, but this is a valid vulnerability also. If you report it for a hacker run, for example, although we need to have the access to a user credentials, we're still able to bypass a security method of an account. So unfortunately, you can report it as a very impactful vulnerability, especially because CSS calculator, let me get one, because first you need a valid credentials of an account. So if we check here with my CVSS square validator, you have in this scenario a attack vector network, attack complexity high, because you depend on having the credentials of an account. Also, you have a privilege required. In this scenario, I report privilege required as high because I need to have access to an account in order to do it. User interaction known, state. You can consider it changed in this scenario because you in a way found a way to bypass the scope of what we're testing. Now the vulnerable component in this scenario will be like the MFA validation, but it gives you access to the entire user account. And confidentiality can be high, impact high, and availability known. So this would be a vulnerability with a 7.7 base score. So it will still be high, a high vulnerability, I believe, but not a critical vulnerability. But okay, first valid vulnerability found in this application. This video was recorded during our live stream that we're recording every Thursday night, so feel free to join us. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.